Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Platform Santiman tweeted on April 11. The chart used in the tweet shows a dramatic increase in the ADA supply ratio held by Cardano whales. By comparison, these whales only had 10.2% of the total supply in their wallets less than 14 months ago. That said, Santiman noted that a large portion of the whale addresses observed on the chart actually belong to cryptocurrency exchanges. The non-fungible token, NFT, collection of American rapper Snoop Dogg has launched on the Cardano Ada network. The collection, announced earlier this month, features iconic collectibles, limited edition pitches and unreleased music. According to a tweet shared by Clay Nation, an NFT project the rapper is collaborating with, the project has now been launched. Clay Nation itself offers a collection of 10,000 digital characters with algorithmically assembled, handcrafted clay traits. The original collection is sold out, although some Clay Nation NFTs are now traded on secondary marketplaces. The NFT collection has in the past collaborated with Good Charlotte, an American rock bank. Snoop Dogg's Cardano-based NFT speculated the pools are being hosted by Bison Trails. Bison Trails was acquired by Coinbase last year and makes it easier for developers to participate in decentralized networks and build applications that connect to blockchain data. The company is a blockchain infrastructure platform as a service provider, meaning the pools may be being hosted on behalf of clients. The move comes at a time in which the total value locked on Cardano's decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem surpasses the $400 million mark. A widely followed ADA whale has recently suggested they believe the TVL is going into the billions soon as more projects are launched. The whale added that alternatives to decentralized money markets such as Compound and OV are lined up, and pointed to the Cardano community being ready to bootstrap its own DeFi growth. The comments came shortly after Cardano surpassed Kusama in terms of total value locked. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. Cardano Ada transaction volume nears $70 billion as TVL on its DeFi protocols tops $400 million. The transaction volume seen on the Cardano Ada network has recently gotten close to the $70 billion mark, surpassing the volume seen on the Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH networks. Cardano's surging volumes come as the total value locked on its decentralized finance (DeFi) apps tops $400 million. According to data from Messari, Cardano's daily transaction volume was at one point close to the $70 billion mark, above BTC's $15.9 billion and Ethereum's $3.6 billion. The only other chain that in a 24-hour period surpassed $1 billion in transaction volume was that of Litecoin (LTC). Transaction volumes on the Cardano network have been exploding along with its decentralized finance ecosystem, which according to DeFi data is now above the $4 and referred to by many as a cryptocurrency that has little to no value and no real-life utility. In fact, many have labeled Cardano as a ghost of blockchains. Others have slammed it for the reported lack of assets or dApps operating on the blockchain. Even so, many in the Cardano community continue to support the blockchain. Needless to say, McCormack isn't happy about that either, claiming that this is how newbie investors destroyed Bitcoin's image. Bashing the maximalist, is there any truth to what he's saying though? Is there any basis to his rants? Well, according to one community member, McCormack's understanding of Cardano is well below the bottom line. Another asserted, Cardano is solving a different problem than Bitcoin. Unlike you, Charles celebrates Bitcoin's success and merely points out areas that he believes Others went on to highlight a few advantages to make a case for Cardano as one of the market's promising blockchains. Among them, its security features with zero hacks reported, low transaction fees, and scaling solutions that Bitcoiners only dream of. In fact, some have argued that this is why new investors are choosing Cardano over Bitcoin and/or Ethereum. This may be evidenced by the fact that ADA surpassed ETH and BTC in terms of transaction activity, adjusted transaction volume, less than a few weeks ago. Finally, the number of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, minted on top of the flagship network crossed the 800,000 mark too as activity on the cryptocurrencies network surged. Despite such an impressive profile, however, ADA's price action has been underwhelming. The number 8th largest token suffered a fresh correction of 2.5% at press time, falling below the $0.8 mark. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.